Health awareness at a barbershop is critical because it's a shared space where hygiene, safety, and customer care should be prioritized. Here are some important areas of health awareness that should be adopted at a barbershop. 1. Hygiene and sanitation. Proper tool sterilization. Ensure combs, scissors, razors, clippers, and other tools are properly sterilized after each use. Use a disinfectant solution or UV sterilizers to prevent cross-contamination. Clean towels and capes. Use fresh towels and capes for each customer. Launder them with high heat to kill bacteria and viruses. Hand hygiene. Barbers should wash or sanitize their hands before and after every client interaction. Workstation cleanliness. Keep the workstation clean and organized. Disinfect surfaces regularly, especially between clients. Gloves. Use gloves when handling potentially infectious materials, such as during shaving or treating cuts. 2. Skin and scalp health awareness inspection before service. Barbers should examine the client's skin and scalp for any infections, wounds, or conditions like lice, dandruff, or fungal infections. Services should be denied or adjusted in cases that may pose health risks to others. Gentle products. Use hypoallergenic and dermatologically safe products to avoid triggering skin irritation or allergies. 3. Safe razor practices. Single-use razors or blades. Always use disposable blades for shaving and discard them after one use. Never reuse blades to avoid infections like hepatitis or HIV. Proper disposal. Dispose of used blades in a designated sharps container to prevent accidental injuries. 4. First aid and emergency preparedness. First aid kit. Keep a well-stocked first aid kit on hand for minor cuts, burns, or emergencies. Training. Barbers should be trained in basic first aid and know how to handle accidental cuts or injuries. 5. Health and wellness communication. Educate clients. Inform clients about the importance of scalp health, proper hair care, and any observed issues that may need medical attention. Signage. Post clear signs encouraging hygiene, such as washing hands, covering sneezes/coughs, and informing barbers of any skin conditions before services. 6. COVID-19 and communicable diseases awareness. Follow health guidelines issued by local authorities, such as regular sanitization of high-touch surfaces. Encouraging clients to reschedule appointments if they feel unwell. Maintaining social distancing when possible. 7. Mental health awareness. Positive environment. Create a welcoming and inclusive space where clients feel relaxed and safe. Conversation sensitivity. Barbers often have close relationships with their clients. Be mindful of the tone and topics discussed to support mental well-being. 8. Legal compliance, licensing and training. Ensure all barbers are properly licensed and trained in hygiene practices. Regulatory standards. Comply with local health regulations and inspections. By adopting these health measures, a barbershop can protect its clients and staff, build trust, and maintain a reputation for professionalism and care. Stay with us to get new videos.
Thanks for watching. Like and comment. Please subscribe our channel.